Our company is embracing all the people from different races, cultures, and beliefs. Inclusivity is more than words in our company. In diversity, we respect each other. No matter where they come from or what their beliefs are, we make sure everyone feels welcomed and valued. With this principle, we create unity. With unity, we get accomplishments and victory. After each of us undergo a full month of tests in the month of Ramadan, we also achieve victory in unity. We wish you a happy Eid Mubarak. May this special day brings peace, happiness, and prosperity to everyone.